and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing yet another foundation review. So if you guys are interested in knowing what I think about Giorgio Armani's Power Fabric Foundation, then keep on watching. But before I start, if you're new here, hi, my name is Joy. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle related videos. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. And that's it, so let's carry on with my review. Alright guys, so the foundation that we're reviewing today is none other than Giorgio Armani's Power Fabric Foundation. So this is the box right here. It comes in your typical Giorgio Armani box. As we open it, it does come with a little insert, I don't know, maybe some information on the product, who knows? I never read that, who does? So here's the bottle right here. It does come in a kind of a matte glass bottle. And the one thing I do love about this foundation is it does come with a pump. So that's a plus for me because who doesn't like a good old pump for their foundation? Okay, so this foundation comes in a 30 ml, which is also a 1.01 fluid ounce. So you do get a bit of product. I would consider this a full-size foundation. So yeah, you get a bit of product in here. I did pay $64 for this foundation, so it is 64 US dollars. And I did order mine from Nordstrom, which is Nordstrom online. I believe this foundation does come with 17 shades via Nordstrom and 20 shades via Sephora. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys know of other retailers that offer more shades, comment below and let us know because it's always nice to know who carries more shades, because maybe you're having a hard time finding your color and you want to really get that perfect shade. So definitely 17 shades for Nordstrom and 20 shades for Sephora. My shade in particular that I got is shade number 6, which is described to be a medium with golden undertones, which is definitely right up my alley because that describes my skin to a T, or my skin tone to a T. So that's the reason why I ended up with the number 6. So hopefully this is the right match. We will see. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and read to you what the Nordstrom website says about this foundation. If you want to know more about this foundation, definitely go to their website, or maybe read this little thing that comes with your foundation that I typically don't read. But anyways, so what it is, it's Armani's first liquid foundation that perfects full coverage with a velvet matte, lightweight second skin finish. So who it's for, it's anyone who wants full, long-lasting coverage with a matte finish. And basically what it does, through Armani's Beauty's acclaimed microfill technology, powerful ultra-fine pigments are shaped to provide the highest coverage foundation with the thinnest and lightest texture, allowing a little to go a long way. Power Fabric combines high coverage, an SPF 25 filter, and an ultra-light formula that creates flawless results for up to 16 hours. That's awesome. Upon application, the texture melts into the skin, blurring imperfections while offering effective daily UVA and UVB broad spectrum SPF protection. Because every woman is unique, Power Fabric Foundation comes in an abundance of shades to suit all skin types. The formula is adapted for each shade to deliver optimal coverage without cracking or dulling. So there you have it. Those are the claims and what it is and what it does. So right now we're going to go ahead and move on to application. So stay tuned. I forgot to mention that this foundation is not oil free. So this is definitely good for skins that are more dry, sensitive, and more combination skin tones. So if you're super oily, this product is probably not a good product for you. So definitely do your research and see what will work best for you. Okay, so before I apply the makeup, I want to show you guys the tools that I'm going to use to apply the foundation. So definitely, per usual, I'm going to do a split kind of face with different tools. On one side, I'm going to use my trusty beauty blender, which I've cleaned and it's ready to go. And then on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and use my Sephora Pro Flawless Airbrush Foundation Brush. So let's go ahead and apply this foundation. So also too, I've already prepped and primed my skin using all of my skincare, so my skin is ready to go. But before I start, I'm going to go ahead and apply my primer, my Oh So Love primer. This is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've been using this and been talking about it like on and on and on. So basically I'm just going to apply this all over. You guys, this primer is amazing. If you're looking for a primer that will help to prolong the wear of your makeup and to smooth out any pores or imperfections and redness in your skin, definitely check out the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I've been using it for probably maybe 3-4 weeks now, and it's something that I cannot even wear my makeup without. So if you're in the market for a really good primer and you've never been really a primer kind of person like I was, definitely give this one a try. Okay, so I'm just basically shaking the foundation, and I'm probably going to pump about maybe 2 or 3 pumps on the back of my hand. So 1, 2, and maybe 2.5. So per usual, I'm just going to dot the product all over. And then we're going to apply it with my beauty blender. Okay, so far it does say that this foundation is more of a medium to a full coverage, but I am seeing more medium as I'm applying this. So maybe after 2 layers of this foundation, it'll give more of a fuller coverage. Okay, so this is the product on my skin using 2.5 pumps of foundation using my trusty beauty blender. And for me, I think this is more, I'd say more medium coverage. You can probably layer on another layer and really create that full coverage that it's claiming to be. But so far, I think this is definitely more of a medium coverage. Texture, let's see. It doesn't really have a tack to it, you guys. It's really silky, very smooth. I don't feel tackiness of the foundation. So that's a major plus for me because I hate that tacky feel. And the product doesn't really have like a significant scent. It doesn't smell like product, so that's a plus, because there's one thing with foundations that smell like chemicals, and this particular foundation doesn't. It almost has like a really clean, kind of a powdery scent. I don't know if that's like a Giorgio Armani kind of thing, I don't know, but it has a really, really clean scent, but not anything that's masking chemicals or anything like that. So it's definitely bearable in scent. We're gonna go ahead and apply the makeup on this side using my brush. So let's see what side looks best. I'm also using 2.5 pumps on this side. And of course, just dotting the product. Alright guys, I am back. I finished up my makeup, and this is the completed look with the foundation on. So I am here to give you guys my final thought. So basically, I actually really like the foundation, as always. But so far, as I was applying it, I liked the coverage that it gave my skin. I loved how it just kind of makes your skin look very soft and touched up, almost like there's a filter. I like the consistency of the product. I like the texture because it's not tacky. And I like the fact that it also provides an SPF 25, so it's protecting my skin during the day. I also like the fact that it just makes you look kind of natural looking, yet it offers the coverage that you want. So in the demo, obviously I did 2.5 pumps on both sides. So using the beauty blender on this side and the foundation brush on this side, they almost look the same to me, except of course this side had a little bit of, I don't know, streaking from the brush. So brushes are typically not my favorite way to apply foundation. I either apply it with my fingers or I apply it with beauty blender. So I definitely favor this side. Do I recommend this to you guys? I do, especially if you're looking for something that's medium to full coverage, yet it doesn't look heavy or cakey, and it just gives you more of an optimal kind of flawless finish. And of course, if you're willing to spend the money, which is $64, it is pretty pricey for a foundation. It is higher end, so it's expected. So if you are looking for something more high end and you're willing to give this a try, absolutely, I definitely highly recommend it. Alright guys, and that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my product review on the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation. I hope that you guys found this review helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the little bell so you are notified for all of my uploads. And I guess that's it for me today, so I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye guys.